How to add cTrader in IC Markets. First, you will need to create an IC Markets account, and then once you have signed into your account, you will go to the account section from the left hand side. Simply click on accounts, and this is going to load up a page with MetaTrader 5, cTrader, and MetaTrader 4. You want to select cTrader for this, and it's going to tell us that no accounts have been created, and you can open a new demo account by clicking on that button. You will select the account type, the currency, the leverage which you want, and also your initial deposit from this screen. After you have selected this information or filled out this information, you will click on proceed, and that is going to initiate the account creation. And you can see your account was successfully created right here. And now we have integrated cTrader with IC Markets. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.